Stop doing the same repetitive tasks you've done a million times. AI might be secretly draining your value right under your nose. I recently read a phrase that sent chills down my spine. A is distilling your skills. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But it's actually happening right at our desks every single day. Think about it. How much time do you spend at work on mindless mechanical tasks? Copying and pasting data, fixing formatting, or writing the exact same copy and basic code over and over? You think you're just grinding away. But to AI, you're providing a free, live tutorial. Distilling your skills basically means taking all your hard-earned experience, your workflow, and your gut instincts and turning them into step-by-step instructions a machine can process in a second. We used to think our experience was our safety net. I know the perfect pacing for editing this video. Or, I know exactly what tone the boss likes in a report. But now, if you just feed those standards and tricks to AI, it learns your secret sauce instantly. It never gets tired, doesn't need health insurance, never complains, and never slacks off. Meet your new desk neighbor, the digital employee. Once AI has completely distilled your skills, what's left of your core value? Now, don't panic. For us everyday workers, instead of stressing out about losing our jobs, let's pull a reverse UNO card. LETS actively distill our own skills and hire ourselves some free digital assistants. Think about it. We can dump all the repetitive stuff finding assets, setting up templates, running data straight to AI tools. And what do? We save our energy for the things that actually require creativity and decision making. Well, hey, even if it is just to clock out on time and chill for a bit, isn't that a win? So, starting today, change up your routine. Step 1. Audit your daily tasks and pick out everything that makes you feel like a robot. Step 2. Find an AI tool you like, feed, fit your workflow, and turn it into your own personal digital employee. Remember, the future workplace will only have two types of people: the cogs in the machine working themselves to the bone, and the managers who know how to direct digital employees to do the heavy lifting for them. Which one do you want to be? Let me know your answer in the comments. Follow me for the most practical, no BS ways to use AI, and let's clock out on time together.